What's up, Cripple Crow? EDC with DBD, Disabled but Deadly, and the Very Naked Bo, the Very Naked Mabel, and the Very Naked Megaron all say what's happening, and they all say congrats to everybody's winners, and thanks to everybody who took part in my live, and everybody who donated to make it such an awesome day. Today's carry for the quitters and the big mamas. We got the Farrah Monster Glideman rocking that Sheepsfoot Sunday. It's a bit between a Sheepsfoot and a Warney, of course. And yeah, sweetheart. And we've got the 80-20.5 Shark Foot rendition. Going for a little bit of Sheepsfoot Sunday today with these critters. Again, thanks to everybody who participated. Congrats to all of yesterday's winners. Stay safe, stay frosty,